That's me.
Zena?
Zena. Yeah, Zena. Let's get it.
Ready, buddy?
Ready as I'm gonna get. Let's hope this dog's ready.
Get a 20-minute punt going, huh? Whenever you're ready.
Be calm. All right. Thank you. This is not what I wanted. She's gonna run out 500 yards. And I forgot my whistle. Boy. She is stressing me out today. Alright, y'all don't make fun of me, but I'm gonna shoulder my gun before I'm up here because my finger. Yep. Come on, sissies. Yep. Come on, babies. Zena Bear. Come on. Right here. Come on. Good girl, Zena. Come here. Good girl. Yeah, good. Hey, that's right, Zena Bear. That's good. That's a good dog. Yeah, that, hey, come here. Good girl. Yeah, that's good. That's good, Zena Bear. That's good. That's good. Yeah. All right, go find some more birds. This way. Boy. Whoa. 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 I'm not letting him go nowhere. Sissy, come here, babes. Come here, babes. Yeah, that's a good girl. Come here. Hey, come here. Come here. Come here. Good, Zena Bear. That's a good dog. Hey, hey, come here. Good dog. Yeah, that's, hey, come here. Good dog. Yeah, that's a good dog. That's a good dog, son. Yeah, let's go. I'm not letting him get out of range. I got 2 shots for a reason.
Gotta suck with that finger.
Yeah, that's why I've been trying to shoulder it before. It looks goofy, but at least I'm not gonna knock it trying to get the gun up. I guess I can just probably sit here for a minute. She busted a whole covey of quail down there in that first blowout.
Glad I saw that.
They were getting, there's probably about 10 or 15 of them that got up down there.
Yeah, I saw some go that way.
Yeah. Boy. So what happens if I shoot it over there? Fine? Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
The dog or the bird has to be in, that's all.
Even the dead bird? Whoa.
Instead, we got a problem.
Whoa. 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 Hey, 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 come here. Zena. Bird in here. Bird in here. Hey, 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 hey. I guarantee it's down that hole. Six. Point. Gonna hustle it up here.
Might be in the auto. No, she's inside, huh?
She looks like she's barely inside of it.
Otherwise, it'd be automatic safety.
Dang it. Please, where's this bird at? All right. Hey, hey, come here. It's around here somewhere. Okay. Whoa, hey, safety. So what happens there? I mean, she was working the same point.
I think you're gonna be fine, but I'll run it by.
All right, let's see if we can find one more. Zena, come on.
Work the whole thing. So.
Okay.
I'll make a note.
Okay, come on, Zena. Let's go. Point. Whoa. 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 Yep. Come on, ZZs. Come on, Z. Get the bird. Dead bird. Zena. Zena, go get that dead bird. Zena. Go get that
So you got the 3, the 2 with the no on the last. I found it.
Okay.
So we don't have an issue. And then the 1 out of bounder on the reload. I think you're gonna be fine with puppy with the reload. You know.
Ended up with 3 fulls and 1 half. Zena just decided to not bring one back, and I'm not 100% sure why, but I didn't get points for it. We still had a pretty good run. It's the best run we've had since doing this, so can't ask for much more. We'll see how it plays out, and I will let you know. All right, so here's the situation. I scored 140. Tell 140 points. First find is at 415. The guy beating me currently is out in the field now. I know you're not going to be able to see him, but he is running right now. I only heard 1 gunshot. It's probably 5 minutes in. We need at least 2 more gunshots to tie, I believe. So, let's see. Alright, that'll do it. You're looking at the puppy of the year right there. Barely won. Came down 14 points. I had 14 points with the other guy, and she had more first place wins, so that puts us first overall, and we got the puppy of the year award. So super excited, worked hard for it, paid off.